Ultraven, Stomacher Blender BM-04, BM-04S, BM-04HS. Introduction. Stomacher Blender, also known as Aseptic Homogenizer, bag mixer, is widely used in homogenization treatment of animal tissues and biological samples. Effect Demo Paddle Homogenization. Effect Display Stomacher Blender. Open the front cover, place the sampling bags inside, and press them firmly in place before starting the machine. Adjust the distance between the paddles and the sampling bag using the rear knob. All open doors for easy cleaning. Features. The new model is touchscreen and new operation interface, adjustable homogeneous time, slap before and after the device, adjustable distance, all open doors for easy cleaning. Polyolefin and samples for Homogenizer, only for vertical operation. Sampling and homogenization are performed in the same bag. Ultraven